Here's how to find a lost MetaQuest Oculus controller. Using the in-VR method, put on your Quest headset, look at your virtual hands, and if the lost controller has battery, its virtual image may appear, showing you its location. Gently shake your other controller. The lost one might vibrate if it's nearby, helping you find it like in a couch or under a blanket. And think about where you last used the controller and look there. Make sure the shiny surfaces aren't blocking the headset view of the controller. And you can also try troubleshooting with the app and headset. Update your MetaQuest app and try unpairing and repairing the controller in the app or the headset settings, and this might make it light up or respond. If you find the controller, make sure that its LED lights are clean. Dirt can mess with the tracking. And the last resort, if you can't find it, factory reset your headset. This won't find a lost controller, but it can fix the pairing issues. If you've tried everything, you may need to buy a new controller. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.